You won't believe what this bag can do for your makeup organization. A quick disclaimer, I received this product for you to try. This is such a great makeup bag. Look at the space inside, it's huge. All my products in boxes fit in there with a full size hand lotion. Look at the pockets here on the side. There's one more hidden pocket here with a zipper. The front pocket is plastic, so it's easy to wipe clean with two extra little pockets here. And on the back, there's also one zipper pocket where I fit all my grooming things. And the closure here is sturdy and it stays open just like this. And it's so easy to find everything you need.